I'm sharing this with you because I want you to really grasp the fact that your nonprofit, in effect, is an intellectual property. In fact, it's multiple intellectual properties, and you may even have an app or a technology that you have developed, and that is your intellectual property. So with all of this IP inside your nonprofit, it's something that you may not be putting to work. And that's what we've been talking about. So what licensing does is it takes your intellectual property and it transforms it into revenue. Now, let me stop here and make it an important distinction for you, because you may be familiar with license. You may hear the term licensing. My guess is that in many cases, you may think of licensing as a legal agreement. Most people do, because that's where most information comes from. But that's not what licensing is. Licensing is a process. Now, part of that process is a license agreement. That's the legal part. But licensing is like a marketing process, okay? It's a series of tasks and activities that you must do to transform your intellectual property into revenue. And that's what we're talking about here today, things that you must do to transform your nonprofit intellectual property into revenue.